So with a clean eating lifestyle, you can never eat pizza or ice cream or cookies or fries or burgers ever again? Of course you can. In fact, I do it all the time and I actually schedule it into my calendar. Many of you were asking me to make a video on how I do cheat meals, how I go about setting them up in my healthy lifestyle, and how to have them so that when I do have a cheat meal, it doesn't throw me completely off track with my progress. Because cheat meals are a special kind of awesome. I totally agree, I have them all the time, but there are some tips that I have for you so that it doesn't get out of hand, because trust me, that can happen too. So let's get started. So cheat meals allow you an opportunity to kind of give in to enjoying the food without tracking your macros, without caring about added sugars or how much trans fat is in something, or how it's going to affect your overall lifestyle. Personally, my favorite cheat meals are pizza, burgers, donuts, cookies, ice cream, and fried chicken. And so for a cheat meal, there's some things to consider about how you're going to approach it, the day of the cheat meal, and then how you handle after your cheat meal, because all of that plays a big role in how to have a successful cheat meal. First off, build it into your schedule. You kind of need to have it as a plan. And that's because if you think, oh, well, I'll just have a cheat meal every once in a while whenever I feel like it, or maybe I'll just do it every few days or whatever, that starts to creep. And then you don't really remember the last time you had it. You kind of start decreasing the amount of time in between your cheat meals. And then instead of something that becomes a special thing, it becomes a more constant, continual thing. The trick with maintaining this healthy lifestyle is that more often than not, you're not cheating, you're making those good choices. So if you flip that around, you're not gonna have a successful, healthy lifestyle. Allow yourself to slip on purpose. So remember this cheat meal and approach it as an opportunity to kind of allow all of those shoulds to go away and to slip up on your healthy eating. This is an opportunity for you to have control over not having control. Enjoy the heck out of your meal. Choose a cheat meal that you are craving, that you've been thinking about, that all you want is that meal, and that's gonna make you so happy because you finally get to eat it. So much of living a healthy lifestyle is making the healthy choice. So in this moment in time, you're able to choose that meal that is not the healthy choice. It is the gluttonous, oversalted, just happy, feel-good choice. Now, you might not feel good later after eating it, but that's not the point of this meal. The point of this is to just enjoy. So that means you want to pick something that you've been craving. You don't want to just on a dime, just choose something last minute and then that's what you're wanting. Instead, think about what you're going to have for your cheat meal. Prioritize what sounds good for you. You know, if you feel like you keep really wanting pizza, then go get some pizza. But then don't have a burger because you're still going to want the pizza. You want to make sure that you pick something that is going to satisfy that craving you have. Choosing a cheat meal, not a cheat day, is another very important guideline. There are a lot of things you can eat in an entire day. A cheat day can have a lot of ramifications, but if you condense all of that into a meal, there's a lot less damage you can do. You're still eating a ton of calories and you're still having all this fat and all this sugar and all of that. It is going to have an impact on your body and on your goals. And this also goes back to prioritizing what you're wanting to eat. If you're choosing something that you really want, then you're getting it. But in a cheat day, you wind up eating everything in your pantry that you've been neglecting and you really wanted to have, but you chose not to, and it just turns into a big mess. Remember to rebound also. This is really important because it's fun and enjoyable to eat badly. That's why people do it. It's not because people don't like eating delicious, greasy food. It's because it's comforting and it has that feeling that you want when you eat a meal. But after your cheat meal, it's time to move on. So in order to rebound, you want to go right back to eating healthy, go right back to your normal daily eating routine. Go back to having your lean proteins. You want to go back to drinking your water, paying attention to the clean foods you're eating, following the macros and all of that. Don't starve yourself for the rest of the day or do a juice cleanse to detoxify yourself. Just go back to your normal, regular eating. And your body's gonna follow suit. It'll go back to normal. You'll probably have some inflammation for the next few days, but that will go away. That's not extra fat. It's just extra weight from your body being kind of confused on what's happening, but it'll get back to the normal homeostasis. Everything will get back to normal as long as you get back to normal. You know, try not to freak out over those next couple days when you have that weight gain, because you're wanting to trust in that process, trust in that your body is just getting rid of that inflammation, and then you're moving on. And personally, I like to make sure that I get extra water in on my cheat meal days because I know I'm having a lot of extra salt. And that would be anytime I'm having anything that has more sodium in it. I want to make sure that I'm compensating for that and flushing that out of my system by having more water in that day. So the next question is how to assess if you're ready for a cheat meal. Well, you kind of have to think about it. Are you making progress with your goals? Have you been paying attention to your macros? Are you on track with everything you're doing? Do you feel like you really want to have a cheat? Are you kind of eyeing all these different things and feeling like you don't like your lifestyle because you can never eat what you really love? All of these are things to pay attention to because those are all the reasons why you would be ready for a cheat meal. And it's always okay to push off a cheat meal. You don't have to have them. They're not necessary in order to have your goals. But I've personally found that I enjoy my healthy lifestyle if I have a cheat meal every once in a while and I can still stay on track. It's a little bit scary to do, but it works really well. It helps you stay focused and healthy all the other moments and allows you a moment in time to kind of just be and enjoy food and have a cheat and have that donut or that pizza or that burger that you've been craving. So what's your favorite cheat meal? Comment below and let me know. And if you are struggling with how to have this healthy lifestyle and getting back on track with your goals so that you can have successful cheat meals, come check out 30 Day Healthy for some added support, and I will see you in the next video.